So today is the 4th of May 2022. We have Malmin Kauppatie and Malmi Sandesweg. Fourth stick is E here. F. And this is also another Otis GeN2 all the way towards the late 2000. So I'm 20 years old, 2020, and this number is B1ME2917. Really nice. The green flow on button. Capacity is 8% of 600 grams, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023.
Yeah.
You need to get to the staircases E and B and A. There's 3 left here.
Yeah.
Also, these have steroids.
Yeah.
Yes, but this one has braille by the bottom also.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Cone.
I will turn on lights. Sorry. Oops. This local by the door, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, close the door. Is that our first floor? That's it, and thank you very much for watching. Hopefully we'll get to the last 3 staircases. The staircases A, B, and E as soon as possible.
That's
And you can of course watch the 3